Morning, gentlemen. Morning, Ollie boy.
I need to pick these up right away because I need to label the date of them.
So we're getting about, what, 17 eggs a day.
Yeah.
We have 17 chickens and we're getting about
No, we have
literally
18.
We have 18 chickens.
You gotta make sure you count right. Turkey bacon for the lean. Why are you laying eggs all the way back there? Oh my gosh, please don't touch it. Oh, my back. Oh, that's gross. Okay. This is why you exercise. Ah! Yeah.
Come on, girls. All right, Diane, so you're obviously in your 50s. So
Thanks. Obviously.
But obviously.
Yes.
What am I trying to say?
That was rude.
I have to be really careful about that.
Just don't ask my weight, then we're fine.
I won't ask your weight, but I know your weight, and your weight's hot. Anyway, so why do you still do this? Why do we still do this lifestyle out here?
Well, I think, in life there's two types of stress, and I've had the first type of stress, and that was raising a family, 4 kids in an upper scale neighborhood in Northern Virginia, and you can't imagine the kind of stress that goes along with that. Keeping up with the Joneses times 10x it, and I kind of had it, absolutely had it. We and our kids are much more nature lovers, kind of a little free spirits in a way, and just didn't fit that mold anymore. So moving to the country, even though it's more physical stress, the emotional stress is much less. I'd rather sit out here, listen to the crickets, and have the bugs fly around, and be tired at the end of the day from a good day's work of maintaining a property and animals versus keeping up with the Joneses and who said what, who did what potluck are we going to go to, who's hosting the next party, and whose kid's going to what college, and who's getting the GPA. That's not the kind of stress I want. So it's kind of simple.
Try that again. Nasty. When are we going to do that?
Compost?
Yeah.
Well, you're going to have to help me plan a compost bin.
We have one.
No, like a real big, like 3-section.
Oh, yeah. So, Diane and I have been talking about probably this fall building a compost bin so we can start composting a lot of this beautiful organic chicken poop, and God only knows what else is in there.
This is the authentic farmer's walk. If you ever see people at the gym walking around with weights, this is why.
So you had a question you wanted to ask me.
Yes, I did. So I explained why I liked living out and doing this lifestyle. Why is it, Brian, that you, almost 60, you'll be 59 in December?
Yes.
So why is it that you like taking on more responsibility at this point in life versus the opposite of starting to release responsibility and slow down and have more freedom?
Oh, it's so awesome. Man, that's a great question. And what's funny is that I actually see this lifestyle as freedom. I see it as freedom from a cubicle. I see it freedom from corporate America. I see it freedom from people, and I love people, most of them. But there's a sense of accomplishment when you're out here on your own property and you're tending to everything. You're cutting the grass, you're doing the weed eating, you're doing repairs on the property, you're doing the garden, you're working with the horses, the crazy chickens, and they're crazy. And then we've got the 3 crazy dachshunds. So you've got all of these elements that are going on every single day, and it's peaceful. As crazy as that sounds, there's so much going on. And then we have our business life on the other side of the spectrum. So would I do this again? All day long.